After 134 days of relentless Israeli siege, the situation in Gaza is every more dire. Our correspondent in Gaza, Nur Harasin, with the details.
134 days of Israeli offensive on the coastal enclave that left the people here with the dire needs, and they're actually going on through this life by the little hope that it is left. Palestinians now, and in several incidents recorded in Rafah, they started trying to break into the border and tried to break the border fence between Gaza and Egypt, and this is out of hunger and thirst and in need of safety. Yesterday on Friday, a number of Palestinians, actually we're talking dozens, tried to enter the border between Gaza and Egypt, and actually some of them succeeded, but they were forced to go back. They were looking for humanitarian aid trucks. Some of them actually hijacked and went on top of the humanitarian aid trucks, trying to take as much food as they can. And this comes while the UN, the World Health Organization, and even officials here on the ground are warning of a famine actually here in Gaza, as the people are still suffering even after the orders of the International Court. Meanwhile, talking about the latest Israeli on the ground, as usual, and the Israeli forces targeted places in Gaza from its north to its south. According to the Palestinian Health Ministry, the number of people killed in Gaza now has exceeded 28,800, and the number of injuries is very close to 70,000 people who got injured in Gaza. And this comes in light of the suffering of the hospitals in Gaza, with the lack of medicine, medical supplies, and even the doctors can barely move around and assist and come and visit to the hospitals. In Al-Nasser Hospital, and in the latest news, even though there's very little news coming from the Al-Nasser Hospital, as now the doctors and the displaced people are being besieged inside the maternity building in the Al-Nasser Hospital. According to the Palestinian Health Ministry, and with the very little leaked information, the Israeli forces is actually interrogating and investigating with the medical staff the displaced people and whoever is still inside the Al-Nasser Hospital. Nur Harasin, teleSUR, Gaza.